Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. It's your girl Mercedes Styles back with another video. So this tutorial is going to be a little different from my regular ones. I'm going to be introducing something new and different and showing you guys how I put my baskets together. So let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so first things first, you're going to want to have all your items and supplies lined up ready to go. First things first is a basket. You can get this from your local Walmart. The silly paper, you can also get this from Walmart. I got it on sale, and these are the colors that I'm using. Some tissue paper, I'm going to line the inside. The plastic for the basket to go inside. Also some ribbon to tie it, and my items lined up ready to go. Okay, so first I'm going to line the inside of the basket with the tissue paper just like this. Then I'm going to put the construction paper inside of the basket just like this. Then I'm going to put all of the items inside of the basket nice and neatly just like this. Then I'm going to put more of the colorful paper on the top of the basket to make it look pretty, just like this. Okay, so now it's time for the plastic. So first I open it wide up, just like this. And then I'm going to line the inside of it with the tissue paper just like this. And so now it's time to put the basket inside of it just like this. Make sure it's nice and centered and that the tissue paper is upward. I don't know how else to say it. Once that's done, I'll just put a little bit more of the construction colorful paper inside of it, just like this. Okay, so last but not least, go ahead and gather up the plastic just like this. And then tie the ribbon around it just like this. Then I'm going to gather the two corners and fold them back and tape them in the back just like this. At this point, you can go ahead and put a bow in your ribbon, just like this. Okay, so here's where I go ahead and show you guys how I use that purple ribbon that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. I just cut the ends, line it up, and make sure that it's perfectly lined up. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and tie it around just like this in a nice tight knot. Then take a pair of scissors and curl the ends of the ribbon just like this. Okay, y'all, so this concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to put a basket together and this video helped you out, or at least give you any ideas, please let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not already, go follow me on Instagram at Mercedes_style. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.